Cold weather has arrived. It's chili season, but let's put a little twist on the normal chili routine. Let's make some white turkey chili. Here we go. Okay, here's all the ingredients that you're gonna need for this dish. We've got 4 ears of fire roasted corn, which I roasted on my grill, along with 2 white onions, which I also roasted. We got some roasted hatch chilies. This is 1/4 cup. We're gonna do the juice of half a lemon. We've got 1 pound of smoked turkey breast, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 3 cans of white beans. We're gonna do a tablespoon of bouillon. We also have turkey stock, which I made. If you have the ability to make your own stock, do it. It is way better than anything you can get at the grocery store. 1 stick of cream cheese that I coated in a Tex-Mex seasoning. Then I cold smoked at 80 degrees on my smoker for about 45 minutes. And we're going to finish it off with about 8 ounces of heavy cream. First thing, you're gonna chunk this up. All chunked. Now into the crock pot. Gonna go in with your onion, roasted corn, hatch chilies. Go in with your turkey, chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder. Chop up your cream cheese, put that in. Tablespoon of bouillon, 1 can of Great Northern beans, and 1 can of cannellini beans. Notice I left out 1 can of Great Northern beans. You'll see why in a second. Go in with the stock. You can use chicken stock or turkey stock. This is about 1 quart. I'm gonna bump it up just a little bit more. 8 ounces of heavy cream. The juice of half a lemon. This is just gonna help brighten things up a little bit. The other can of beans, you are going to mash. If you have a potato masher, great, do that. You don't wanna pulverize them, you just wanna break them open. This is going to release some starch, which is going to help thicken your chili. Into the pot. Now let's give this a good stir. Pop your lid on, set it for 8 hours, and wait. If you're willing to do a little bit of prep work beforehand, you can throw this in the pot the morning you go to work, come home and have a delicious meal waiting on you. 8 hours later, here it is. I will tell you, full disclosure, I added a little bit of a thickening agent to it, which is some cornstarch, roughly 3 tablespoons that I added into some water to make a slurry, and I poured in here just so it would thicken up just a little bit. Pretty as a picture. There it is. Wow. You're getting a little bit of the heat from the chili powder, the smokiness from the meat, the smokiness from the cream cheese. Wow. To call this chili, it's not really traditionally what you think of as chili. It's really good. I really like it a lot. And while yes, it doesn't exactly look white, the name comes from everything going in it is white. So the chili powder, the cumin, it's going to help to change the color a little bit. But man, it's something that's going to warm your tummy on a cold winter night. Woo! Yum, give me some. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And as always, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I'll catch you next time.